1.5 question number fourth part. Places A and B are 100 kilometer apart. Places A and B are 100 kilometer apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car from B. One car is starting from A, another is starting from B at the same time. If the car travel in same direction at different speed, they met in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they met in 1 hour. What is the speed of the two car? Very important question. See carefully. Two cars are starting. One is starting from A, another is starting from B. Okay. Now two cars are starting and they are meeting after 5 hours if they are traveling in same direction. दोनों की direction this side है ना, that means they are traveling in same direction. Opposite direction is like this, same direction is like this, same direction like this. Opposite मतलब उल्टा. Same means in the one direction only. So same direction case is this one. Two cases are there. Separately I will explain. This question is important also, little bit confusing also. If you will try to understand, then you can do this type of question any. Okay. So how to do? Now they are meeting after 5 years. After time 5 years, 5 hours they are meeting. Okay. Now you have to find what is the speed of two cars. Two cars you have to find. In first case I am taking same direction one. Okay. Now let speed of car from point A. From point A, speed of car is x kilometer per hour, suppose. Okay. And speed of car from point B is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. From B, speed is 5 kilometer per hour. These you assume. Now in time 5 hours, time is 5 hours, they are meeting. Now distance is equal to speed into time. So distance travelled by car from point A will be speed into time. Speed is x, time is 5, so 5x. And distance travelled by car from point B will be, time is 5 hour only and speed is y kilometer, so 5y. Now this distance from A1 is 5x, this much distance, and from B this much distance is 5y. Try to understand it carefully. And the distance between A and B is 100 kilometer. That means this much distance is 100 kilometer. This much distance is 100 kilometer. Now you see carefully, I am explaining again. If you will subtract 5y from 5x, 5y from 5x, 5x is this full and 5y is this much, you will get 100 na. This full minus this, you are getting this na, 100. So according to question, you will write 5x minus 5y is equal to 100, because 100 kilometer is distance. These both are distance of A and distance of car from B. So 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Now 5 common, x minus y is equal to 100. So x minus y will be 100 over 5, that is 20. So first equation came x minus y is equal to 20. Note down this much, then I will tell you after this. Now they are saying if they meet towards each other, meets towards each other means suppose this is A point, this is B, like this they are moving. Okay. Now suppose they are meeting, because they are meeting at same point. Suppose they are meeting here, same point they are meeting. Now this is the distance travelled by car from point A and this is the distance travelled by car of the point B. Now see carefully what you have to do. You know speed of car from point A is x kilometer and speed of car from point B is y kilometer, and in this case time is given 1 hour, that after 1 hour they are meeting. So distance traveled by car from point A will be, again distance is speed into time, distance is speed into time. So what will come? Speed is x and time is 1, so only x will come. Distance traveled by car from point A when they are in moving in opposite direction. This case is this. Same way, distance traveled by car from point B will be y into 1, that is y. Now according to question, this much distance is x, this much distance is y, total is given 100, total is 100, that means this plus this, x plus y is equal to 100, so x plus y is equal to 100. This is second equation. So two equations came. First one is x minus y is equal to 20, this one. Second is x plus y is equal to 100. Now simple only, I am telling you elimination method to solve it. So coefficient of y is same, and opposite side you can add also. If you want to subtract, you can subtract also, your wish. If you will add them, sign will not change. X plus x 2x, 20 plus 100 120, x will come 120 over 2, that is 60. X came 60. Now put x is equal to 60 in equation first. 60 minus y is equal to 20. 20 will come this side, it will become minus, minus will go that side, minus y it will become plus. So y will come equal to 40. So y 40, x 60 came. Now x is speed of car. You assume na speed of car from point A as x km per hour. X value you put 60 km per hour. Now speed of car from point B, you assumed y km per hour. Y came 40, so it will come 40 km per hour. Thank you.